Hi, so let's learn how to draft and cut this trending cup corset. See how beautiful the corset is. So here is my version. See the cup corset, and I've already done that. It's so beautiful. And here is the back. Okay, see how lovely it is. So what we are going to use, we are going to use our pattern paper, French core, and masking tape. So this is my pattern. I've already drafted my basic bodice pattern. So this is the front pattern. So I'm writing my chest line, bust line, under bust, and waist to my hip. That is my shoulder line. So I'm going to draft my apex. That's my bust palm. My bust palm is 7 divided by 2 is 3.5. So I'll mark it straight like so. So I'll mark the cleavage length is 6 inches from the neck. Then the cleavage width is I'm going to be marking half inch for my cleavage width. So please make sure you mark 1 inch because this is a smaller size. Okay, so I'll go out by 1 inch at my under bust and connect it to my bust point like so. 1 inch is like so. So I'm going to be going out by 0.75 inches at my chest line and connect it to my bust point like so. So I've already connect my dart. So I will connect my bust dart. I'll go down by 1 inch at my bust dart and connect it. Then from at my center front, I'll go down by half inch and connect it. So I'm going to be placing my French curve to draft out my cup. Okay, so make sure that your French curve is in a copy form. Okay, so I've already drafted out the cup. So I'm going to go up by 1 inch at the armhole line and also I extend it like so. So I'll close my chest line dart like so, and I'll place my French curve and also connect my corset cup to the center front cleavage like so. So I've already drafted out my cup like so. So I'll just blend it out by closing the dart. Okay, so I'll blend it out like so. I hope this tutorial was helpful. So give this video a big thumbs up. So then I'll go out by 5 inch at my neckline. Okay, for my queen and neckline like so. I'll connect it to my corset cup like so. For the asymmetric line, so I'm going to be attaching another paper at the hip. So at the midpoint, I'll go down by 6 inches. Okay, like so. Then at the second dart, I'll go up by 2.5 inches like so. So after going up like so, I'll just connect it. So I'll use my French curve to connect it like so in this shape. So after connecting it, so I'll be extending it to the other dart line like so. Then I'll connect it. So I'll just mark my asymmetric style line at the hip side like so. Then I'll connect it to the other side in this kind of shape. Okay, in this curvy shape. Okay, so make sure you have your French curve. So you just place your French curve on it like so and connect it. Is simple like so. So I've already connected it. So please if you are new to this channel, do well to subscribe to our YouTube channel and turn on the notification bell to get you notified when I'm posting this tutorial. So I'm going to go out by 2 inches because I will need it to have this shape at the hip. Okay, so I will just connect it to my waistline like so. Then I'll connect the curve. I'll open the pattern up and also mark 2 inches at the hip like so. Then I'll connect it to the waistline like so. Then I'll also connect the curve like so. So I'm done drafting the pattern. So I'm cutting out my corset cup. I'll fold it together and cut out the neckline of my corset. So it's very simple. So you can also share this tutorial so that people can see and learn. So let me know your thoughts about this tutorial in the comment section. So I'm done cutting the corset pattern. So what next is I'll cut the dart. I'll cut through the dart like so. So number your corset cup so that you will not be confused. 1, 2, 3, 4 from the center front, side front like so. So you number it before you cutting it out. So I'll just cut out my dart. So after cutting my dart, then I'll cut out the cup. I'll cut out the center front cup like so. So let me know what you think about this tutorial, and please subscribe to our YouTube channel and share this so that others can see and learn. And you can also save this tutorial to watch when you are less busy, okay? And make sure you practice this tutorial. So I'll be posting more of a drafting series of any style, so please just turn on the notification bell so that you will not miss our tutorial. So you can also draw this style line on your corset cup, this curvy style line. So this is how to go about it, okay? So then I will close my dart, like so, my cup dart. I will close it with my masking tape. So to draft the back corset pattern, so you bring your basic bodice pattern, then you go in by 2 inches from the waist, hip and the chest line, then you rule a straight line, okay? So after you rule a straight line, so at the neckline, you go down by 3 inches, then you make a curvy line to draft to the center back. So you go out by 2 inches at the hip, then you connect it to the waist like so. So I'll be going down by 2 inches and connecting my neckline because I'm going to be cutting the neckline. Then I'll extend my dart intake and I'll mark my eyelet hole. So this is not compulsory, okay? It's not compulsory. So after doing that, so I will cut out my back corset pattern. It's very simple, okay? So I'll cut it out like so. So let me know what you think about this tutorial, and feel free to ask questions in the comment section. I'll answer you, okay? So don't be afraid to ask questions in the comment section. So I've cut out my back pattern. So here is my corset back. So I've done that finish. I'm through with the back corset. So I'm just marking my eyelet. So this is how it should be. So after I will now cut out the neckline. I'll cut out the neckline. So here is my back corset pattern. I hope you find this tutorial helpful. So let me know. You can also comment in the comment section what tutorial you want me to do for you. I might do it for you, okay? So feel free to request tutorial. I will do a tutorial for you. So this is the back pattern. So here is the front pattern. See how copy my corset cup is. Thanks for watching. Bye.